Dividing decimals with number chips. This is the winter version, and it starts with explaining to students how to move the decimal point before you divide. And then it gives a couple of examples of how to do that. Starting on slide 5, students are going to be moving these chips into the correct place to do their division. And the first thing they're going to do is type in the number of places they're going to move that decimal point to the right. So it moves all the way to the right in the divisor. That means one place, so they're going to type in a 1. And that will help them place that decimal point in their answer. So if they divide, 3 goes into 25 8 times. So they just click and hold on the edge of that 8, and then they can move it into place. Multiply, 8 times 3 is 24. Subtract, and bring down the 2. And then 3 goes into 12 4 times. Now to place that decimal point, we knew we had to move that decimal point one place to the right. That would place it here, and then it goes straight up into their answer. So it starts out with some easier problems and gets a little bit more difficult as they go. Same thing on the next one. How many places are we moving that decimal point to the right? 2 places. So in our answer, 2 places to the right and then straight up into the answer. And if you notice, every one of these problem slides has a yellow heart with a letter in it. And that's going to help them solve a winter riddle on the very last slide. They're going to match that letter to their quotient. So there's several problems to practice. And again, they get a little bit more difficult as they go. On that very last slide, we have all of the answers from the previous slides. So students have to scroll up and down, find these answers, type in the letter that's in the yellow heart, and that should answer their riddle. So this is dividing decimals with number chips, and this is the winter version.